And then, obviously, thanks to Mamu, who I love, I call him with love Mamu Salman. Because years back, I mean, I've said it in so many interviews. I always, when I'm talking, I feel I'm repeating, but I have to talk about him. He's a very special person in my life.
Why do you call him Mamu?
It's just something when we were young, we started work. It was just, you know how we kind of same age group and, you know, Masti and all that. Mamu.
So you're same age group when you started calling just Masti mein
Masti mein, because I
nicknames like those two.
Yeah,
Salman is Mamu for
Mamu, yeah. I'm Mamu to him.
Acha, okay.
It's like that. I don't know how it came out. I still don't know. But I've known him because I used to be learning bike riding on the beach, horse riding on the beach. And he had just done his first film. And he was like a normal person walking, coming on the beach. And he used to ride and he used to do his bike stunts with me. And he was always, he loves bikes. He was really good at it.
Yeah.
I used to be nervous because I've never been allowed to ride a bike on the street. I still don't know how to ride a bike on the street. Or ever, I mean, cycle I can ride, but that not on the street. And so that's how the relationship. So I used to play CCL, and he used to keep telling me, why have I grown a beard? And you know, the most funniest thing is I keep going back and forth, but when I grew my beard, I was trying to work on a project which was a very dark kind of that kind of genre, and with this director, but no one was backing it. And I grew a beard because I wanted to play that character. And everybody used to make fun of me. You know, wherever I went.
Yeah. Which character? Ashram?
No. This was something else totally.
Okay.
This was something my brother was helping me with.
Okay.
And
Kabhi aaya nahi wo.
Banini. We didn't get funding only.
Okay.
But I learned. I did acting classes. I did everything. And I think God wanted me to go through that process. You know. So things didn't work out. Then he would keep meeting me at these CCL matches, Celebrity Cricket League. He said, "Ye daadi kya hoga ke rakhi? You're so good looking. Shave it off." I said, "Mamu, I'm just trying to do something different." He says, "Look, shave it off. And look how my career moved forward." I was starting off and I was still not reaching anywhere. And I climbed onto Sanjay Dutt's back and onto your brother's back. And I moved forward. I said, then Mamu, let me, mujhe tere peeth pe chadne de, mujhe bhi aage. Say, I'll definitely think of something. And then that's how Race 3 happened, where I really transformed, where I really worked out, made a great physique, whatever I could for that in that short period. And people noticed me. You know, it's like I knew being a part of a Salman Khan movie, millions and millions of people are going to watch the film. And the new generation had not known so much about me. So it was kind of forgotten. But when Race 3 came out, the young generation noticed me. And they said, oh, there's a Bobby Deol also, you know. And it really helped. Everything I was doing was helping. Then because of that, I got Houseful, which again, Akshay Kumar, a big star. And again, kids connected with me because it was a comedy and they liked my character, whatever it was. But I was still not satisfied because that wasn't the cinema, as I said, when I decided that I wanted to work which is out of my comfort zone.
Yeah.
And OTT happened. And I think that was the best thing that happened to not just me, but a lot of actors who were in the same position as I was in, and a lot of newcomers, you know. So Red Chillies was the first one to offer me, Shah Rukh's company. I did a film called Class of 83, where I didn't play the main lead, I played a character, and I really enjoyed it. And I got a lot of phone calls for it, but Ashram took the whole cake away. It just came and just went crazy.
Yeah.
Again, thanks to Prakash Jha, sir. I mean, I don't know what he saw in me, you know. I got a call from Shruti Mahajan, the casting director, and she had come to me earlier for some characters which I didn't like, I didn't want to do. And she says, you got this is really good web series Prakash Ji is making, and you have to, you know, go meet him. I said, I will. I've been wanting to work with Prakash Ji since years, you know, and I'm open to it. So when I went and met him, he narrated, and when he was narrating, I thought he was going to offer me the police officer's role, which Darshan played. And he says, I want you to play the Baba. And I'm like, what? Wait a minute. What did I just hear? And it was just given to me in a platter, you know, yeah, this is Baba, you play this. And that was like the best thing. And I didn't tell my parents. As you asked me the earlier question, I didn't tell my father, my mother, my dad, my brother, because you knew they would say something. They would say, why are you doing something like this? But I told my wife, I said, this character is it's very tough, it's very different. It might just help me change what I'm trying to change about my image. She said, just go ahead with it. And I did. And when it released, the amount of phone calls my father, my brother, my mother got from the people they knew, it was like never happened for a very long time, in my career. They just went crazy about me playing a bad man who's so bad, but they all loved me playing it, you know. And that was like the best thing at that point. Best, whatever, was something I didn't even imagine. I was like, what just happened in my life,
थैंक यू सो मच ये क्लिप एंड तक देखने के लिए. अगर आपको और भी ऐसी क्लिप्स देखनी है तो राज शमानी क्लिप्स चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए.